Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee in Berkeley. Today we have a nice, beautiful Isomac mini grinder. Came to the shop, it was stuck, clogged, and had a very old Burrs right here that it was switched with brand new Burrs inside, and it's working beautifully. Ready to make some espresso. Says I don't have the filter of uh, of of the grinder. I'm just gonna use my hand to see that it's, or use this one here to see that it's working. Let's there you go. There you have it. Ready to go home, make some good coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe and come and check out our beautiful new machines for sale. Have a great day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test what